as vast as the horizon, as colorful as the rainbow, as enchanting as technology, faster, brighter, together. Let us make dreams come true. Let us be the torchbearer. Let us challenge our own potential. Let us explore, innovate, create. It is here we serve delicious success stories. It is here we paint reality even more beautiful than dreams. It is here where nature nurtures young minds. After all, education is the best way to build a nation and bring together students from different cultures, backgrounds, and beliefs. Students from 19 different countries are taking pride in building a stronger, committed, and super confident India. An India that will excel in all competitions and make it to the top without any stop.